Shankarpari. Ingredients: all-purpose flour maida approximately 500 grams or as required, dalda 1 cup, sugar 1 cup, milk 1.5 cups, salt as required, oil as required for deep frying. Heat 1.5 cup milk. Add 1 cup sugar. Stir till the sugar dissolves completely. Add salt and mix well. Turn off the flame and let it cool down completely. In a large bowl, take 1 cup dalda. Whisk with hand to make it smooth. Add the milk mixture. Now add the all-purpose flour maida in parts to form a firm dough. Cover and set aside for 60 minutes. After 60 minutes, knead the dough lightly and take a ball-sized portion and flatten it. Roll it thick. With the help of a Shankarpari cutter, cut small diamond shapes as shown. Fry on slow flame. Flip and cook on both sides. Fry till crisp and golden brown. Remove on an absorbent paper. Fry the remaining Shankarparis in the same manner. Subscribe to my channel, click the bell, like, share and comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.